Lelike ding het my nou oorgekom by Woolworths. Jy sal nou vol pyjamas, but we leave that for later. As 5 uur. Natalie, 'n lelike ding het my nou oorgekom. Jy pay nie eers attention nie. I'm getting old, Natalie. I'm almost turning 39 this month. So I now decided I must go start squats and exercise again because there's muscles that are not working like they used to. Ek staan aan die queue by, I don't like to make, I hate making fart jokes. But they're hilarious, but I hate making them. Man, call me common, but this is the truth. Ek staan in die queue by Woolworths van Natalie het my gestuur om vir hierdie klomp bananas te gaan koop. But now I'm standing in the queue, you know what happened? Nou dink ek gaan 'n sagte enetjie laat gaan, verstaan jy? Maar ek het nie meer die clutch control wat ek gehad het destyds nie. Die ding kom iets soos 'n guara monster poep.
No, Alfred, what is wrong with you?
And that in Woolworths, Natalie, it was baie shameful. Baie shameful. You know if it's in ShopRite.
Joking.
Yes, but you know if it's in ShopRite, the tuna,
No, it doesn't matter whether you're in Woolworths or ShopRite.
Natalie, don't act like you don't know. When we're in ShopRite and I let one go and it's loud, the tin fish absorb that sound. But in Woolworths, the couscous was judging me like hell in there, man. Natalie, we must go tomorrow.
You should shame yourself.
Ek moet gaan squat, nee, die spiere is nie meer, ek het nie meer hy selle control nie, verstaan jy? I hate making fart jokes, but I just had to share. Hoekom het jy al in pyjamas as voort dit? Natalie, is korpaas voor. Hey, lockdown.